having these trees that are foreign to this area, over the years they are having like a connection with the rest of the trees. So what it's creating is like this natural forest that is now like a combination between like foreigners and natives, and this is what we have right here, and that's what I love to create too, like the combination that we can have like international community, where we have respect to one another. And that's what is happening with the cypress that is being planted here for a purpose, with purpose, but right now is attracting all this wildlife back again, and we're using the wood for constructions like in a very sustainable cabins, and also replacing with new fruit trees, native trees. So it's creating a whole ecosystem that it wasn't here before.
The minute we at Imaloa started introducing these ideas of regenerative leadership, it's when the company took off. And when we just started to like regenerate and like we can create an organization that works for everyone, we can bring wholeness into the evolutionary purpose and wholeness into the organization.